Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So, in this video, I will show you how you can convert normal photo to the formal attire photo with a realistic look. These photos you can use for your resume, for your business profile like a LinkedIn. Also, you can use it as an ID photo. You no need any editing skills for this editing because AI is going to work for us. AI is going to edit this picture for us. You can see before photo, normal photo, and the after photo, formal attire photo. It looks so realistic, so perfect. Just follow all the steps. Watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, open the Chrome app. Now just click on search bar and start typing Adobe Firefly AI. Click on first search result. Just select language. Scroll down and click on create with Firefly. Now just click on sign in. You can sign in with Google or Facebook. Just click on continue with Google and select any Google account. Now just fill up the information, your name, last name and date of birth, and just click on continue. Click on agree, click on skip. You will see this interface. Now click on upload image. Now just select photo you want to add formal attire and click on select. After selecting picture, you will see this interface. Now just click on background. After clicking background, AI will remove the background of the picture. Now click on add and erase the downward body. Only keep the face. Erase all the body. Erase neatly. To erase, use add option, and to restore, use subtract option. Brush neatly using add and subtract option. You can see how I am doing it. Once erasing completed, click on describe the image you want to generate. Now you can type formal attire, plain blue background, or anything you want in the picture. Whatever you're gonna type, AI will generate the picture according to that. I suggest use my prompts for a better result. After typing the prompt, just click on generate. It takes few seconds. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't subscribed and like our YouTube videos then please do it guys, because I always do come up with new tricks like this which anyone can do it. And you can see the results. If you do not like the result, just click on more. Okay, I like this picture. It looks good. Just click on keep. It looks so realistic, so natural. And to download the selected picture, and just click on download symbol. And you see download option. Click on that option and the picture is saved